Oh, I thought it was the next year's trends.
No, we're gonna judge this previous year.
What year are we in again? Hey everyone, Jordan and Barry here. We are excited because we're gonna rate some of the 2024 design trends. 2024 is over and we're gonna look back and rate what is good, what is bad, and we're a little scared to jump into this.
Oh, I'm so ready for this. Bring it on. Okay, wellness spaces. I personally wish I did more of this year. What did you put? Oh, good.
More wellness spaces.
Totally.
I want a sauna room.
You would never step foot in a cold plunge.
That's true. Oh, I would never step foot in a cold plunge. That's crazy. No.
But love it. More wellness spaces for all of us. What do you think about this one?
This is a tough one. I want to say one thing, but I know myself, and I'm gonna say this.
I know what you're gonna say. 1, 2, 3. Love it.
Leave it.
I knew he was
I
gonna
want to
say
love
that.
it, but it's just mess.
No, it's done really beautifully and tastefully. It's done right. If it's done though.
I'm with you, but yes.
Love it. I saw a lot of this over the past year. And I know this might be controversial considering I love Maximalist, but what?
Maybe it's new for me though.
Okay. I feel like this looks too empty, and my opinion is that I want it more maximalist.
Okay, I'm with you.
But I guess if you're gonna start somewhere, for you need to start somewhere
maybe
with
it's
color.
A little less clutter for me.
All right, so the 2024 color of the year was Peach Fuzz. What are our thoughts over that trend from last year?
I am not down with the Peach Fuzz.
You said leave it?
I said leave it.
Good.
It's too. It reminds me of like 1990s.
Great.
I think my mom had a few walls painted in the house.
Plus, we gotta make way for Mocha Muse, which is 2025 color of the year, and that is Brownstone Boys to a T.
Yes.
Color drenching. We did a lot of color drenching this year, right?
We really embraced the color drenching in 2024.
I wrote it.
Love. We're gonna embrace it in 2025 too.
Ceilings, trim, paint it all. All right, well, we saw a lot of bows this year. It is the season of holiday decor. What do we think of this year's trend with all the bows and the holiday decor?
I'm into it.
Love it.
Let's bow it.
Yeah,
Right
put a bow on it.
now, our Christmas tree has lights and one little bow at the top.
And it looks great.
Kind of love it.
Yep. Put a bow on it.
All right, so statement light fixtures that bring some drama into a room and are a little different and don't look like you got it from a box store. I'm all about it. Let's do it. More of it.
Yeah, beautiful statement pieces all the way.
So, this comes up a lot in our projects. A lot of people want the huge glass back of the house that opens up to the deck or to the backyard, and it's beautiful and it's dramatic, but it's not always practical in New York because one, temperatures aren't nice enough for it. And 2, there's a lot of bugs. So I'm gonna say love it, but not in New York.
I'm gonna say love it too. I'm jealous of it because we can't have that lifestyle in New York, but there's creative ways of incorporating it even into the properties that we work on.
You know, it's even if you can't open it, it's nice to have the view outside.
Yeah. Texture. Love it or leave it. Love it.
Texture's good. A lot of people focus on color, which is great, but don't forget the texture that you can bring into a space too.
We just started adding texture to our bedroom, and I love it. Chromatic rooms. So seeing the same of the same color. I always think of our project that we did this year at 𝘽𝙍𝙊𝙔𝙎, the den space, the green couch, the green walls.
It is dramatic. It's beautiful. Everyone who walks into that room loves it.
One more thing, and that is, do we want people to subscribe to our YouTube channel this year?
Yeah.
Love it. Subscribe below.